So, as a self-confessed gadget head and Star Trek fan, it's always amazed me that when I was diagnosed with diabetes type 2, that the solution to monitoring it was sticking a needle in my finger, bleeding myself several times a day, and I just thought to myself, really, what happened to technology when it comes to healthcare? And I stopped doing it, if I'm honest. I'm a terrible diabetic anyway, so if you're a diabetic, don't do what I do, which is basically ignore it. My blood sugars are not good. But nonetheless, my diabetic nurse practitioner said that I need to continue monitoring it and that she needs to keep an eye on it, which is fair enough. And I said to her, I'm not prepared to stick needles in myself all the time. And she said, oh, well, nowadays you can get monitors. Now, I knew they existed, so this is the Freestyle Libre, Libre 2. There's a 2 Plus and a 3, but this is what I was given. Because I am diabetic, I was also able to get it on prescription, so I think they're quite expensive, £50 or something. They last about 2 weeks, 15 days, I believe, and they come in that little pack, and you get these things. So if you are a bit squeamish or you just don't want to see my little flabby arm, then you can stop now. But basically, these are very easy to do. There's no blood involved, and what you do is you peel this off. Now this bit contains the actual sensor, so be careful because it's got a needle in it. That bit there, if you undo it, that's got the actual needle in it, and you put the two together. Now if you can see it, you'll see that there's a line there and there's a line there, and you align the lines and push it in and it will click away. Before you do anything with it, you should use a wipe, so an alcohol wipe to wipe the area, and it should go in a fatty sort of area under your arm, thankfully, because I'm a bit of a fat bugger. That's quite straightforward, and it's, I wouldn't say it's completely painless, but there's nothing much to it. It's a bit of a sting, if anything. So you remove that, locate an area that you want to stick it to. So again, apologise for the armpit, but say stick it there, and I've already used the alcohol wipe. Literally just position it, click, that's done. Not only joking, didn't hurt at all. Dispose of that carefully, and that's it. So the sensor is now stuck to my arm. It does stick well. They say that you can have baths, and I've had numerous baths with them on. Just be careful because obviously you can peel it off. And then what you do, there's a variety of ways of doing it, but the basic concept is it uses NFC, near field contact. So basically, if you've got a phone like that, you literally just tap it onto the sensor. Sometimes, there you go, I heard that go. And then your sensor will be ready to run. Now, don't know why it takes about an hour to run it. There is an accompanying app, the Libre app. Incidentally, the nice thing with the Libre app is that there's a Libre Connect version of that, so you can have the Libre app here working on your main phone, but you can connect that account to your tablet, for example, or even let your GP have access to that information. So again, that's much better, and that's it. I mean, it's as simple as you can get, and a gadget that actually looks after your healthcare with minimal complication and no blood. I don't really mind blood, but not my own if I can help it, and I use a computer all the time, so having a little prick on your finger, if you pardon the way I'm putting it, is it's not good. So there you go, Libre 2, have a look at it if that's of any interest to you. If you've got diabetes, speak to your appropriate healthcare professional, and if you're lucky, they can maybe prescribe them for you. That's it, over and out, and I will see what the hell's happening to my bloods in, actually it says 15.5 minutes. That's quick. It used to take an hour when I first started. That's it. Bye for now. I'm just going to go and get a cake. Maybe.